What's up, Jubal people? Today we're doing this song that was suggested by one of my friends here in Bloom, and he suggested this song and I was like, wow, this is quite a crazy song. It's just an instrumental song and it's got just 5 different chords. I'm going to show you an easy way to play it, and then there will be a link also to a harder version to play this song. So basically we got capo on 4th fret here, and we've got the chords in the indie chord collection that I've created. So we've got C major 7, and then we've got an E minor 7 if you add this finger. And then you just take this up and get a B minor. So that's what you do for the first part of the song. You can just lift up this finger and kind of play around with the pinky. Very beautiful, and then B minor. Okay, and then you have a D chord also added. This is the same as the C major 7 shape, moved up 2 frets, and then you go to a G. And that's basically the whole song. But the hard part about the song is the strumming pattern. So we've got down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 down. The key thing is to keep your hand moving like this. Down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, with a lot of missed strums. So once you get that, then you can play the song. Now the song has 2 chord progressions. We've got C for 2 bars, E minor, B minor. And then for the second progression, we've got C, and then we've got C, D, G, G, B minor, C. You get the idea. All right, that's it. Simple, beautiful progression. Enjoy playing it. Have a nice day, guys. Goodbye.